Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say first, thank you everyone who has been watching and participating in my videos and for all your guys' feedback. I do have a lot of people asking me questions about the Yegi Mega Volume lashes, and I just want to touch base on that. They do have a like a sticky base, and that's what helps hold the lashes together so that you don't have to do that like a normal volume lash how you would. So yes, they are supposed to be a little bit sticky, enough to hold the bottom lashes together, and I'll show you guys in this video how they work for me, but it shouldn't be to the point where it's too sticky where they're clumping together and you can't get a nice fan. So if that is happening, either you're grabbing too many or it's a bad set of lashes, because you should be able to fan perfectly. They shouldn't be getting stuck together to the point where you cannot make a nice fan. So yes, there are supposed to be a sticky base to them. That is what actually helps you make a nice volume fan. It makes it easier and faster, but it shouldn't be to the point where you can't make a fan at all. So if that's happening, contact Yegi and speak to her. You should be able to make a nice fan. So I'm going to show you guys mine, how I do them and how they work for me, how they should be properly being fanned. I know in my last video you couldn't really see exactly how I do it, so I'm going to give you guys a nice visual of how to do that. Okay, so again, these are the 15s and the 0.5s. I'm going to show you guys how well they work for me and how I do them. So I place them on my hand. You guys can place them wherever you'd like. I place here. Okay. And this is why I like to use my hand, because it kind of like bends, and when the lashes are kind of bent like this, they work better. Okay, so again, come in, grab from the base, put back down, and fan out how you like. Okay, pick up super gentle. Do it again. If you don't like how your fans look, keep practicing until you get the right amount. Okay, so like this is a good fan. So I would set down, I would open up my fan, pick up gently. Oh my god, it wasn't even in this thing. Look at how good that fan is. Open them up before you peel it off. Lift. Drop again. Lift. Fan. Until you get it how you like. Lift. See that? You would take this fan, dip, and place onto your lash, okay?